Hi, this is Logan here for Vacuum.com, and today we're going to be unboxing, assembling, and taking a first look at the Hoover SteamScrub 2-in-1 hard floor cleaner. Now, as you can see, this is not a very colorful box. I did not get this from retail, so let's just cut this side open. I already took the outer shipping box off, which is why this box is so dull. But up on top we have this instruction manual. We have a bottle of Steam Multi-Floor Sealed Hard Floor Cleaner. We have a handle with trigger. We have a hose. We have a cloth bag here. And the cloth bag contains a number of hose accessories and some microfiber pads. Okay. We have, looks like the base here, and it has steam controls, power button, all that fun stuff. And then bottom here, we've got our floor head, and I believe that's it. Yep, that is it. So yes, we have the floor head here, which has steam stream technology, which targets, oh yeah, so it's, if you press the button here, it will shoot steam out the front to target, baked on messes, stuff like that. All right. So with that, let's put the shipping materials off to the side. And take a look at how this thing comes together. So let's start here with the base. We are going to open up. Alright, and as you can see, this does indeed come off, so it becomes a handheld steam unit, like this, like so, but it also is a floor unit as well. We have our handle, which we are going to attach to the top here. If I could get this in, there's a little button on the back, you press on that. Any luck, there we go, goes right in. Then we have the bottom, we have our floor tool, and that clicks right in just like that. Alright, on the back we have a cord hook, and that has a stand-up position. And that is that. We are going to put all of our tools away for now. Put the bag. And there we go. That was how you unbox and assemble the Hoover SteamScrub 2-in-1 hard floor cleaner. This has been Logan here for Vacuum.com. Thanks for watching.